Hello there, hope you're all doing well today. In this week's video I'm going to show you some really quick tips on how to make your budget microphone go from sounding like this to sounding like you recorded in a radio broadcasting studio. These tips can really elevate the production quality of your videos and make people want to keep watching. Having good audio quality is far more important than video quality, as people will always watch low resolution video, but no one wants to watch a video with awful audio.
Would you still be watching this video if the audio sounded like this?
The microphone I use to record my voiceovers is the Blue Snowball Ice microphone, which you can pick up for around £50, but any USB microphone of decent quality will do the job just fine. So let's just get into it. Here are the 5 essential steps to making your voice sound professional, no matter how annoying your voice is. Step 1. Get a microphone arm and a pop filter for your microphone. A microphone arm not only allows you to position your microphone closer to your face for clearer audio and better back posture, but also reduces vibrations, which can reduce the quality of your recording. If you combine this with a pop filter, you can say as many P's and pops as you like, and it also removes those breaths you take in between words from the final recording. I bought a microphone arm and pop filter together on Amazon for less than £10 in total, and both my back and my viewers are thanking me. Once you have the microphone on an arm, adjust the position of the microphone so it's about a fist's distance from your face. Step number 2. Reduce the background noise. This is a pretty obvious one, but so many people don't do it. If possible, record your audio when your dog isn't barking or when your fan is whirring. To make it even better, be sure to record in a room with lots of soft surface area that will absorb vibrations, such as a room with carpet, cushions and curtains. If this isn't possible for you, then you can put a blanket over your head or remove background noise artificially using an Audacity trick, which will be covered in the next steps. Step 3. Prepare to record your audio. First, download an application called Audacity from the official Audacity website. This can be for Windows, Mac or Linux. This is a great piece of software for recording and editing audio, and it's been going for years. Once you have downloaded Audacity, open it up. Now check that the microphone you want to use is selected next to the microphone icon. If you can't see it there, close Audacity and start it again and check your device's settings to make sure it's connected. Next, make sure the box to the right of the microphone is set to 2 stereo recording channel, so that people listening with headphones will get sound in both ears. Unless all your viewers only have one ear, then go for mono recording. Now the next part is pretty essential. Click the part where it says click to start monitoring. Start talking normally like I am now, and then move the slider next to the microphone icon to the left if the monitor enters the red part. If you don't do this, your voice will clip and the quality will be lost from your recording, which is impossible to correct after your recording. You can also do a test recording, and if the blue waveform touches the borders of the track, you need to reduce the microphone input volume with the slider, which is also known as the gain. Aim for about the -6 decibels mark on the monitor. Once that's all set, you are now ready to go and record your audio. Step 4. Record your audio. When you're all set up and ready to go, hit that record button. I don't think I need to tell you what that looks like, it's just a red circle. Before you start saying anything, it's good to record 5 seconds of silence so that you can easily remove the background noise after the recording. Then just start talking in a clear voice, and once you are done, hit the stop button. If you make a mistake at any point, just keep going, as you can remove this in post. Now this is where the fun begins. Here's how to make your voice sound real smooth with a few after effects. Step 5. Make your voice sound sexy. To remove background noise, click and drag to highlight the first 5 seconds of your recording where you weren't talking. Now go to the effect button, noise reduction, and then click get noise profile. Easy. Now with the first 5 seconds still highlighted, hit the delete key, as we don't need this bit anymore. Double click on the remaining audio to select it all, go to effect button, noise reduction, and then just click OK. This will take the noise profile of the first 5 seconds and apply it to the rest of the track to remove all the background noise, such as fans and barking dogs. Now for adding the radio voice effects. I'm a big fan of productivity, so I'm about to tell you something that not a lot of people know. Instead of choosing 5 different effects, changing their settings and applying them every time to each recording you do, you can save the effects as a preset, which is called a macro in Audacity. This is so you can apply a lot of effects at the press of a single button. But first we need to set up our macro. To do this, go to Tools and then Macros. I have saved a macro called Sexy Voice, which I use, but I'm going to show you how to replicate this using your own macro. First, click New, and then type in the name of your macro. Then go to Insert and select Filter Curve. Go to the top and Edit Parameters button. Edit the points of your curve by clicking and dragging at certain points, and try your best to replicate mine by pausing the video now. It doesn't matter if you are slightly off on this because everyone has a different voice. Once you have done that, click OK, and then click OK again. Now click Insert and choose Amplify. Once again, click Edit Parameters and change them to 0 and 0 if they aren't already set to this. Click OK and click OK again. Next we need to add a compressor to bring the loud sounds and the quiet sounds together. Click Insert again, go to the compressor and click on Edit Parameters. Now I'm just going to reel these off. Change the threshold to -30 decibels, the noise floor to -50 decibels, the ratio 3:1, the attack time to 0.1 seconds, and the release time to 1 second. Then check the box that says Makeup Gain for 0 decibels after compressing, and click OK. Click OK again, and then go to Insert again, Amplify again, Edit Parameters, but this time set both values to -3 decibels. Click OK and click OK again. Now that is everything we need to do in terms of effects. Make sure these are in the correct order though. So 1 filter curve, 2 amplify, 3 compressor, and 4 amplify again. Once you are happy, click OK. Now that we have our macro made, we actually need to apply it. So now make sure you have your audio highlighted by double clicking that you want to apply the effects to. Go to Tools, Apply Macro, and then select the macro that you just made. This is all you have to do from now on every time you record, as the macro is saved. When you're happy with how it sounds, go to File, Export, choose Export as MP3 or WAV, and then there you go. You have a nice stereo audio quality voiceover to add to your videos. Hope this tutorial helped you, and if it did, drop it a like because I plan to do a similar tutorial to this but for OBS, as I know a lot of you like to record both your voice and audio while you are gaming live. Consider subscribing so you know when that video drops, but till then, have a nice day, see you soon, bye bye.